Hello everyone, video today about the collection. Some of you asked about that, a video about the full collection. Before starting, just there are some missing. There's Outrider that I don't have here. Also a Spartan and a Swiss Champ with wood scales. Also 3 champions, which I am restoring and that I won't show in this video. Apart from that, I hope I haven't forgotten any. I think it's possible, but so this is all about Victorinox, of course, the collection. So let's go. First, so this is the I think something you are familiar with. So Alox knives, 91mm knives. I made reviews, etc. about them. Here we have a Huntsman Alox Bugnar. So it's just the large blade and the wood saw. Here is a mechanic with the corkscrew. So this is of course a discontinued model, pretty rare. This one has the corkscrew, as I said. It has the Phillips, but some had remade with the corkscrew. So this is just a large blade, small blade, opening layer and pliers. Then what I have here, I have the Spartan Onyx Black. Showed it in the video about my Spartans, so I'm not gonna show it here. I have those these three from the Swiss Spirit special edition. So we have 2019, which is the first one, Everwood 10. Then in 2020, the Explorer. And 2021, this year, this one with these beautiful scales, which was a Climber. Here I have this beautiful edition from 2018 as well, which was Huntsman. Here. The knife, it was limited to 8,000 pieces. And we add the certificate here. Then, next, around here we have Signature Light Midnight Manager, Signature Light Midnight Manager, some classic SD. So this is all 58mm knives. This one is from the classic limited editions in 2020. There are some classic, not SD, but just classic, because we don't have the screwdriver here. This one is a classic as well. Those are with stainless scales. I'm not gonna talk much about them, so I'll probably make a video about these ones. This is a classic with French flag, classic SD. So these three is from limited edition, classic limited edition 2021. This one classic SD Alox, mini champ Alox. This was the mini champ, not the Midnight Manager. Cadet Bantam Alox This one is like the watch opener, Celidor. So with this. And this one is the same, but ALOX and limited to 200 pieces. So just a large blade. And this tool, here we have some 111mm knives, Forester, Hunter XT, the Soldier, and Workshop, which I make a video about, of course. Here are some 84mm knives. This one is a Spartan Climber. This one is the Spartan Light. Here then we have Damas 2018-2020. This one it's Deluxe Tinker and Hunter Pro. I'll show the rest of the collection after. Here are some from the edition of I did a video, I made a video about them. 3 of them. All the limited edition. And I think that's it for here. Then here we have I'm gonna open it. The 125 years anniversary. Made a video about that. The replica. And here are some soldiers. So which one is Wenger, and then we have Victorinox. Here we have Traveler Light, Expedition Light, Swiss Flame, Cam Flame, the XXL and XAVT. Here we have Super Timers, Timekeepers. At the back, it's Timekeepers, and here Super Timers. Still my favorites, I think. They are really beautiful. Here we have the Visac 2020, the Farmer. The Special Farmer X or Harvester X. This is a Pioneer X, Bavaria. This one is from the limited edition ALOX, with the tiger. It's from a shop in Germany, Schweizer Messer shop. Then you have the ALOX limited editions from 2019, 2020 here, and this year 2021. This one is also like Visac. It's Victorinox Found, which has existed for 7 years. Here we have the Winter Magic from 2020, so last year. This one is the Wood for You, so the limited a special edition from 2020, which is a series that should be discontinued by Victorinox, so we won't see that this year. Only the Winter Magic remains. And here we have the Damas from this year. We have the classics that I showed as well. Here's some Spartans that I showed in a video. So this one is the French flag. We have dates, colors, etc. I also have a black Spartan here, and a black Swiss champ. So I'm sure I have the question, how many do I have? There are some that I have twice. For example, Cadet, Bantam, Huntsman, climber, knives like that. So if I count everything, I think I have around 200 Victorinox, which is not that much if you compare with others. They are really big collection, so it's not that much. Everything is relative, of course. Also, I did videos about them. So I'm not gonna show them. I have these ones as well. And I think I haven't forgotten anything. I hope. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop here. As usual, if you have any questions, comments, it's in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video, of course. It was a quick video, but just to show you overview of the collection. And I'm gonna show everything in details. I don't think it's necessary. I have videos about that. I have videos about the 91mm knives, about the Elox. So it's pointless to show in details. There are some that maybe I didn't review, like the workshop, but I will, of course. I talk about these stainless models, or discontinued, of course, that I will talk about, of course, in future videos. But yeah, that's it. So in the meantime, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.